Hey guys, in today's video you will be checking out some of the best microwave cover lids available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have ZFITEI Microwave Cover Lid. This microwave plate cover has easy grip handles and perforated steam vents to allow the moisture to escape. This cover also helps to speed up the cooking process by focusing the heat of the microwave. It can also withstand temperatures up to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. It can't be used for longer than 10 minutes at a time. It can't be used when the oven is in grill or convection mode. At number 6 we have Lariron Microwave Cover Lid. This microwave splatter cover keeps the splatter off the microwave, also keeps steam contained for more even reheating and easy to clean. This perforated steam vents to allow the moisture to escape. The microwave splatter cover is made of food-grade material with BPA-free, melamine-free environmental and health. It's about 4.3 inches high by 9.8 inches diameter, the perfect size for small bowls and plates. This microwave plate cover material is PP material for making nursing bottles, which is a world-recognized food container safety material. At number 5 we have EZONTEQ Microwave Cover Lid. It is used to cover the food you want to heat and prevent the liquid splattering out of the dise that will soil your microwave. It is built-in steam vents that help to heat food evenly. Its size is 11.8 inch and that fits most plates, bowls and platters. You can put your food into the microwave, cover it with this microwave cover. When it is done, take out of the cover, wash clean. Also attaches to the roof of your microwave when it is not in use. At number 4 we have EZONTEQ Microwave Cover Lid. The microwave collapsible food cover helps keep food moist while preventing splatter and keeping the inside of the microwave clean. This microwave plate cover can double as a strainer for draining excess liquid from fruit vegetables. This multiple lid perforations allow steam to escape, which keeps food moist while splatters and messes are contained. It also has finger grips, making it easy to lift and heat resistant up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. The cover measures 10.5 inches in diameter and 2.7 inches tall when expanded, and collapses down to 1 inch, making it easy to store. At number 3 we have Microwave Cover Lid. The vented microwave cover lid by Micro Innovations makes the food taste better and helps keep the microwave clean. It can be heated for more than 10 minutes. The product is BPA-free. The 2 vent holes mean this lid works very well with microwaves where the reheat mode has a steam sensor. The product is made with firm grip silicone with no magnets on this cover. The shape and size of the microwave cover means it doesn't need magnets to hold it in place. There are no sharp edges that will scratch the enameled microwave interior. It is easy to clean, no limits on the kind of microwave you can use or kind of dish bowl or food container. This product does work for square plates depending on the size of it. At number 2 we have Pin Microwave Cover Lid. This microwave plate cover keeps the splatter off the microwave and keeps steam contained for more even reheating and easy to clean. This microwave plate cover has easy grip handles and perforated steam vents to allow the moisture to escape. This microwave cover for food also helps to speed up the cooking process by focusing the heat of the microwave. This microwave splatter cover is BPA-free and melamine-free plastic and made of food-grade PP material, dishwasher safe. It can't be used for longer than 9 minutes at a time and can't be used when the oven is in grill or convection mode. At number 1 we have Besser Microwave Cover Lid. This silicone handle is large enough to comfortable and easy grip and also stays cool to the touch. It allows steam to escape, controls the hot air to heat your food evenly, and prevents the food from drying out by keeping it fresh and moist. It is unlike plastic and rubber collapsible microwave covers. This lid will not melt and won't release BPA lead or any harsh chemicals onto your food. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best microwave cover lids for your need.